Si m'te ceci, si m'te cela. Is it if I was or if I were? Which one is correct? What is the difference? Hello everyone, my name is Reginald Ramirez. In this video, we're gonna be talking about the difference between if I were and if I was. Let's get started. If I were. If I were is used for something that is imaginary or contrary to fact. In other terms, we use if I were for unreal situation or when we talk about things that are not true. Nou itilize if I were lan pou nou pale de yon bagay imaginaire, yon bagay ki pa vre, le nou pa vreman nan situasyon. An di, wap di sou te yon businessman, ou pa tap gen tan ou tap vreman occupé, mais pa bliye ou pa yon businessman. Wap di, if I were a businessman, I would be much busier than I am now. Si mte yon businessman, mwen tap beaucoup plus occupé que jan m'occupé la. We also use if I were to give advice. Nou utilize if I were to pou nou ka bay konsey. For example, if I were you, I would be more careful when driving in this neighborhood. Si mte ou, mta plus prudent le map kondi nan katye sa. If I were you, I would visit a doctor as soon as possible. Si mte ou, mte pral visite yon dokteur le plus vite que possible. Now, what about if I was? If I was is used for things that could have happened in the past or now. In other words, we use if I was to talk about potential past conditions. Nou utilize if I was pou nou pale de yon bagay ki te ka rive, yon bagay ki te ka rive tout bon dans le passé, ou bien yon bagay probablement ki te rive. An di ou te vreman impoli avek yon moun, et puis ou senti konsyans ou manje ou paret sou moun nan di moun nan. If I was rude, I apologize. Here, the speaker thinks that he or she might have said or done something rude and feels sorry about it. Ou di moun nan si mwen te impoli, si mte agi de manye grossière, mwen excuse m. Se paske ou te fe bagay la vre, kon ya se sak fok a di, if I was. An ou te fon gros fèt la ka ou yeswa, et puis ou te pale en pile, ou te fè en pile bri, paske ou te sou ti alcool ou. Eh bien, de même matin ka levo di voisin, if I was noisy last night, I am sorry. I drank too much beer. If I was noisy last night, I am sorry. I drank too much beer. Si mte fè en pile bri yeswa, mwen désolé, mwen te bwe trop bien. To conclude, we can say that the if I were pattern is an example of what is called the subjunctive mood. The subjunctive mood is used to talk about things that are not true, things that are unreal. However, the if I was pattern is an example of what is called the indicative mood. The indicative mood is used to express things that are true or things that we believe are true. Kounya la, m'pral ban nou deux ti phrase sa yo pou nou traduyo pou mwen nan commentaire. Numéro 1. Si mte ou, mta pa pren anglais. Numéro 2. Si mte kontan yeswa, se paske mte wew. Comment tap traduyo sa yo? Ekri yo pou mwen nan commentaire. Pa bliye, like video sa, metel nan favori yo, et si se premier jou vin sou pay sa, follow nou, paske nou gen an pil bagay kap vini de jou an jou. Thank you everybody.